my work and siguro yung mga POVs ko, but I will let other people know ano yung mga ginagawa ko, especially sa work. So, just an intro, I am a web designer, graphic designer, and webflow developer. So, nagde-develop ako ng mga websites, and one of my big projects are cleancove.com, you can check, King Street Media, and Unified Dental. So, Unified.dental. So, ayun yung mga graphic designs na ginagawa ko. So, pero I am also hired sa different agencies like SME Digital. So, I am their graphic designer doon. And I have my own founded, um, hindi siya agency, but team, which is Floxy Studio. So yung team ko sa Floxy Studio helped me to create graphics with, ayun, yung Clean Cove, and yung Unified Dental, and yung sa King Street Media din. But before that, I was just alone. I helped si Ryan, who's from Canada din, na most of my clients pala are from Canada and US. So, yun, going back, si Ryan is a GTM, go-to-marketing specialist. So, he helped, I think, more on outbound siya. And, ayun, I helped him na mai-arrange yung website niya in a high-converting structure. So, ayun, I use Figma, and yun nga yung mga tools na gamit ko sa web pagde-develop is yung Webflow. And then, yung mga recent work ko right now, I have client sa Floxy Studio, another GTM. Hopefully, makapag-give din siya or makapag-refer din siya ng mga clients niya sa amin ng web design. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto kong gawin. So, ayan. Since kasi nagkaroon ako ng camera, ay parang natuwa ako masyado. And puro post, ang pinapost ko is yung anak ko. And hindi ko naman sure kung pagdating ng panahon gusto niya pa rin makita yung mukha niya. Pero what I really want to do is to give value to other people. So maybe from this week and on, makapag-share ako ng mga at least mga concept work ko and yung mga realizations ko, and makapag-share kung paano ko ginagawa yung work ko. So, yun lang. Samahan niyo ko, guys. Cheers! Bye!